Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have Surf's Up Hail Satan against the Nala. We got some stocks, some melee gameplay. What?
Is he getting on the mic?
Who?
Yeah, second?
Fuck no, I would not.
Wait, is he getting on the mic? Yeah. I don't know. Alright, you know what it is. Forge more and have.
So, standard Fox, stupid Puff.
Oh, Puff's dumb as fuck.
Literally the
Yeah, Frecky just said you're not a real commentator.
Frecky can go frick himself with the frickin' room.
Frecky can eat my ass.
Honestly, I'm a commentator.
I said on Twitter I was gonna beat the shit out of Frecky, and it's gonna happen.
Prove yourself as a real commentator.
Alright, yeah.
Oh,
Oh no, I'm not commentating top 8.
We have to be esports?
No, well, for top 8, they're probably going to keep your guys.
That's probably a wise decision.
Oh, well, yeah, I don't give a
No,
fuck.
if you build your, reputation right now, you can stay, so you're going to be good.
I'm gonna build on my reputation by like talking hella shit.
My commentary style is I talk shit on both of the players.
Commentary style is bad.
Like for instance,
You never really talk that much shit in Nolly. You said he's standard Fox.
well, he's a really good Fox player. I'll never talk shit in Nala.
First of all,
Nala is a respectable player.
I beat Nolly's Samus once in Bracket.
Oh,
That was probably the best win I've ever had.
I didn't know there's a camera there. I don't ever have any good wins. I'm actually like top 5 worst players of all time.
Yeah, it's actually dope.
But at least I get that title. Like, unlike the me, I'm like not top 100. You know, you got puffed on. Going to stadium, wise choice.
Not a surprising win. I think Nala is generally the better player, but I haven't seen these two play in bracket mode.
Surf's Up, get some good wins. They both have good wins. Some
Headed for the PR.
a couple losses that are questionable, but they both have good wins.
They both, I think both of them just use guns.
And this is where like you just get janked out by Puff because Puff's super stupid.
Yeah. Honestly though, the more I'm seeing this match play out, like when Nala usually like goes down there, like he can get salty,
Yeah.
He definitely doesn't have the best mindset. When he goes down early, he's
gotta-
a struggle to
yeah.
bring back.
You gotta keep us chill.
Yeah.
Just a game, bro.
It's only a game. Why
Just
do you
a
have to
game.
do that? Yeah, fuck Hungry Box.
Honestly,
You said that.
I saw a kid with a Hungry Box shirt earlier, and I was
Yeah, me too. That was dumb.
I was like, nice shirt.
I was like, yo, you fucking watch Smash and Slash. You're okay with that?
I'm not gonna lie. After Hungry Box was at Standstorm, he like did really cool stuff and played pretty dope. Listened to like music while I play. I was like, hey, I like Hungry Box. I got a shirt. I had a headband.
No, I understand.
I respect his skill as a player, but I'm not a fan.
Yeah,
He's good. He's considerably better than me. So. You see that moonwalk? He's getting his confidence back.
I like the moonwalk. Unfortunately, letting him just getting bared in the face.
Yeah, but all Puff needs to do is bear.
Yeah.
Grab, up, throw, rest. That's it. Win. Easy win.
Yeah, I'm liking that he's taking his time, he's lasering. It's smart play. See,
Yeah.
what I don't want to see from Nala is him rushing in, doing unsafe things.
Yeah, you can
like going that. That's great. That's nice, yeah.
you can go in on Puff. It's just you have to be really on point.
Well, yeah. But what I'm saying is that when he starts going in,
And he gets grabbed,
Yeah,
up throwed, and
frustrated.
rested, and
but like when I was playing smart as hell, that was just.
oh, look at me! I can do one read and kill you. Great.
That was still pretty lame.
It was good, but
Remember also that Puff dies in like 60% of the stage, so.
true. Puff isn't easy to play.
This is the stage I'm not going to get played on Puff when I'm playing Fox, sorry.
Yeah, no, I definitely get that.
Dreamland though, I will, yes, I will complain about fucking dumbass fucking Puff.
Fucking Puff, man.
Fucking
Hit him with that bullshit.
with that garbage.
All I'm saying is, if we ban Jigglypuff and Ice Climbers, think about it. Think about the melee world we'd be living in.
Okay, here's the thing. I think it's not fair to ban those characters, but would Melee be better without those characters?
Absolutely.
Probably. Fuck him up. Yeah, there we go.
Oh,
So how did he live that? Was that just good DI or did he crouch cancel? Because it was a weird trajectory.
yeah, I don't know.
I think it might have been a crouch cancel. I'm not sure.
Some ASDI down. Something special.
Something wacky that I don't know how to do yet.
Definitely moving with a lot more confidence.
Yep.
Even though he's getting a little frustrated. He's not playing, he's playing his style.
This is the kind of aggression that I like.
He's not scared, but he's not going in a stupid way. That is a hard up air.
Yeah, I'm seeing him do that real life, the Mario Kart DI. He's fishing. There we go, nice back air. Oh, and the taunt.
Mark always goes for those rollouts.
Yeah, the rollout is just...
And for some reason, they work a lot.
Well, he's just trying to get it. He knows that Nala is so good. I think he knows...
Nala's got a little smile. I think all this is Mark trying to surf up, trying to get his composure.
Maybe. Yeah. I think also it might be just trying to piss off Nala.
Yeah, definitely some mind games.
Yeah, for sure. He's smiling. We're all having a good time. It's Melee. Ah, nice.
Definitely some wacky stuff going on.
Yeah, it's getting pretty ludicrous. Speaking of ludicrous, when is someone gonna make the Surf's on Pale Satan combo video with the song Roll Out by Ludacris? Because I've been waiting on that for a minute.
Not soon enough,
Yeah.
that's for sure.
Like, that's such a funny...
Maybe I'll have to get to work on it.
That would be like a pretty funny thing.
Cause I made the Frecky anti-combo video.
Anti-combo video.
Yeah, it was just him getting fucked up.
Getting fucked up.
Yeah.
So it's getting fucked up. Well, that would be like a getting fucked up video.
Yeah,
I would
well,
say like an anti-combo video would
well,
be like just dropping a fuck ton of combo.
well, that's kind of like what it, like he'd up throw and miss rests and.
Yeah, that's cracky.
Now this stage, I think now, I don't think it's as bad for Fox because you can run around so much.
Yeah, this is actually not a terrible stage for Fox. I mean, Puff lives, hella long.
I think Armada kind of showed how you can use
Yeah.
this pretty
Yeah,
effectively.
You have to camp, and as much as I hate camping, like that's how Fox wins the match.
Yeah. Not every matchup can be Fox Dittos.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Woo! Good DI.
So, why doesn't he just like shine or something? Yeah, that isn't like good.
Yeah.
Like I know his meme is to go for rollouts,
Get fucked.
but yeah, stuff like that happens.
Tries to get too cheeky. I mean, he was doing good stuff earlier,
Yeah, no, earlier he was.
I think
up
he's
for
I
arrest.
think he's a little bit in
I
his own
haven't
head.
seen him grab in a while, to be quite honest.
Yeah, it might be the fact that Nal's playing a little bit safer. Not.
Yeah, he needs to get those up throws, because the up throw arrest is what was opening up the game for him. Really.
Yeah, he just can't get in his own head, and I think he's starting to after that last game. Is this best of 5?
Yes, best of 5.
Okay.
2-1 mark.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So he has to win 2 games on this stage, which kind of sucks. But he's not doing bad. So
Yeah, you gotta have endurance to this matchup. There we go. Nice DI. Mark also probably missed the.
yeah, I think he was trying to do an up air maybe. Why are you a prospect?
Oh shit! I should get back on this.
I keep forgetting.
Yeah.
I broke my phone, so I don't have anything to use.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Stream setup. And then I break it, and then Frecky like actually tries to murder me, and then we have to wrestle for the 3rd time.
Frecky. Yo, dude, I said I was gonna beat the shit out of Frecky. I'm gonna do it. I was just waiting for my moment, dude.
I've wrestled him twice already.
I'm camping. Well, like WWE, like professional wrestling.
It was just wild card wrestling.
I mean, dude, I'm not gonna lie. Frecky, he watches New Japan, he watches Ring of Honor.
He's all over it.
He knows it's pro wrestling.
I had to unfollow Frecky on Twitter because all he did was talk about wrestling.
Whoa, Frecky has a Twitter that talks about wrestling. I'm gonna have to follow that.
That's what you think until like a week later, your feed is just all ambiguous stuff about WWE. I think Nala deserves a win.
Yeah, no, it's game 4.
4.
Who is Poopy64? Yo, tell Poopy64.
He is a Yoshi.
Tell him to come over here.
He's a Yoshi player, I believe. So I think I played him earlier. He wasn't bad. Definitely a skilled Yoshi.
Sorry, I didn't think it'd be that quick.
Alright, I'm gonna have to hop on commentary. Sorry, Pat, I'm leaving y'all. Unless this kid wants to wait until this set is done.
Yo, Foopy, no, come here. Rack?
That Foopy Goober motherfucker.
Yo, we're gonna play now or can you wait till He said he can wait.
We got a new guy on my commentary here. He's wearing some nice track pants, I like it. Are you Slavic? Are you like Slavic, like from, you got the Adidas track pants on? Like Eastern European? Ah, kannst du Deutsch? Was für eine Chance? Also,
You're eating Haribo, you're playing with the German.
I don't speak German, What's up, guys? Queens. What's up, dude?
What's up, Queens? Have Nasty. The nastiest player in Neo. Not good, just nasty. So we're going to Game 5.
Game 5?
Nala has his groove, ready to take this. Got to stay focused, concentrated. Surf's Up's looking to get that groove back. He got in his own head a little bit, try to do some rollout cheese.
I like the cheese.
But it's Game 5. He's on his counter pick.
Go back to Dreamland.
That's probably the best stage he has at the moment.
Some people would say Valve, but
Yeah,
Dreamland is like obviously the best for Valve. I don't know.
it's just like it's a rough matchup. So I mean, there's downsides every stage.
I'll took a game on Dreamland, so like,
Yeah.
that's what he's doing.
I did not. 5. Oh, I didn't know how to do that.
I've never seen a rough
No, I guess he must have not DI'd or didn't jump out of it. I know, I might maybe like he got the not all the way DI or maybe he might have been able to jump out of it. I don't know. No.
Surf's up. Now the neutral. Updated source.
2-2.
Okay, nice. That's a really long time.
Yeah. Definitely anything can happen when it comes to Puff dies at like 60% and then Rest kills at 12.
I'm definitely one of those characters that you just like come back and like no matter what.
Absolutely.
Just like one backer off the ledge, you're done.
They're trying to play a little bit. Surf's Up's playing a little more back area, like when he first started the set. Yeah. 10%. That's rough.
Yeah. It's rough life. Obviously, I'm saying
honestly, it kind of sucks to play both characters in this matchup.
yeah, it's just like, it's really the grind for both characters.
Yeah.
It's just like, they can do so much to each other. It's crazy.
Yeah. Shooting the gun. Yeah, I think the F tilt he did was supposed to be a turnaround up tilt. I do that all the time.
See, when Pop gets on back here, you just want to retreat. You don't want to keep challenging. That's what all Pops want. They just want you to keep running into the back. Like, you gotta retreat.
Yeah. It's hard because you get so frustrated sometimes. You're just like, I need to hit this stupid ball.
Just want to hit this dumb mark.
Yeah.
I think he was ready.
I'm not gonna kill on this stage.
Another 10%. Okay.
Stoop kid, afraid to leave his stoop. Oh my goodness. Rough angle. But you can definitely come back from this.
He's kind of finishing for it now.
Yeah, not whenever he DIs off stage like that.
So it's tough playing this really well, actually.
Yeah.
This man's really patient. It's kind of frustrating. Sort of stuff down.
Some foxes get a little up smash happy whenever they're in situations like this.
And it's just because you want the kill. Like,
Yeah. And if he keeps doing these dash attacks, one crouch cancel, then he gets rested, so. Yeah, they both kind of get a little salty sometimes. But it's a close game. I mean, it's close. But instant. Yeah, he has 3 minutes.
oh my god.
Yeah, that's it. Close set.
Surf's Up, Hail Satan, top 8 on Mark.
Top 8.
Yeah, I think so.